Choosing your countertop can seem like a daunting task, but our stone experts, they make it easy. Follow some of these tips to make the most of your showroom visit. Tip number 1, make sure that you visit arminastone.com. We have a wide variety of stones on our website, so you could browse exactly what you think you like before you come in and visit us. Tip number 2, what to bring. Make sure that you bring color samples of your cabinetry, backsplash tiles, and any other crucial design elements of the space. Tip number 3, take notes and photos of the slabs you like so you can go back and reference them during the process. So follow these tips and you'll make the most of your showroom visit.